Oh hey, funny seeing you here. Oh my gosh, look at that. How embarrassing. Well, I guess we should... No. Oh no, yeah, that'd be weird. Cool. What's up, my Grinches? Welcome back to Gina's Food Court Christmas Edition. We are jingle balls deep in the holiday season, which means it's time to break out the Christmas recipes. As you might know, eggnog is one of the most popular Christmas traditions, so we're gonna give it a try, sweater you like it or not. But we're not making just any eggnog, we're making spiked eggnog to really get us in the holiday spirits. So throw your hair up and grab an apron. My apron's a little snug because I accidentally bought the child-size version from Joann Fabrics. Here's what you'll need. You can find the full recipe with ingredient amounts in the description below. First things first, we're gonna mix together the eggs, egg yolk, salt, and sugar. Next, I'm gonna whisk you a Merry Christmas and gradually add in the milk. Once thoroughly combined, pour your mixture into a saucepan over low heat and stir until it's roughly 150 degrees. This should take about 20 minutes. Once the mixture is thick enough to coat your wooden spoon, pour it through a strainer into a bowl. This will remove any small pieces of cooked egg. Now stir in your vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg, and about half a cup of bourbon. The tree ain't the only thing getting lit this Christmas, if you know what I mean. Go ahead and cover your bowl with plastic wrap. Put it in the fridge to chill for at least 4 hours. 4 hours? Slay what? But don't worry, we can spend this time getting a little Santa-mental and build a gingerbread house, just like the good old days. As a civil engineer, I was very concerned with the structural integrity of my gingerbread house. As you can see, I used double gumdrop reinforcements, candy cane column supports, and a solid frosting foundation. This house would be perfect for a little elf. Oh look, here's one now. You can afford the down payment on the gingerbread house, right, Penny? What do you mean you're elf employed? Once you're ready to serve the eggnog, pour the heavy cream into a separate bowl and whisk it until soft peaks form. Now fold it into your chilled egg mixture, pour it into some glasses, and top it off with some whipped cream. Add a dash of cinnamon and nutmeg, because after all, 'tis the seasoning. And that's all there is to it. Wait a minute, something's missing. Much better. There is nothing like drinking eggnog in a reindeer onesie with matching fuzzy socks. Looks like our elf wants to try the eggnog. Oh shoot, I drank it all? How rude of me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and it got you egg-cited for the holidays. I might have overdid it on the jokes, but let's not forget it is the most punderful time of the year. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and have a very dairy Christmas.